Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello. God, perfect timing. The music switched right. Right then and there. Hello, everybody. Excuse me. I'm still eating food. I didn't know what to eat today, so I had like a couple of grapes and just some plain rice cereal. Not really the most elegant lunch for me. I also have my coffee with some olive oil in it. I'm eating like a bird today. Bye everyone. Hi Bad Design Brian. Hi Hoodly the Owl. Hi Luke. Hi, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I'll say Fury. Blast. Kind of like Fairlii. Fury. Hello everybody, it's Fairlii Friday. Oh my goodness. Fairlii Friday, how are you guys celebrating? I'm celebrating by eating like a bird. What game are you making? I am going to be making Treasure and Bones today. We're going to be working on some Treasure and Bones stuff. We're going to hopefully figure out this issue with the hats. I want to fix some things with the camera, finalize the actual design of the map. Happy birthday to... What? What's AG? Happy birthday, Craig Hedges from AG. Hi, Cypher. How's it going? Hi, Diamond Lock Productions. Hello, everybody. It's Friday. What have you guys been doing with your day today? Didn't realize you were live. That's because I haven't posted it yet. I'm posting it to the Discord server right as we speak, actually, while I eat my cereal. Alright. Oh, wow. Where's the news channel on my server? There it is. Let's making a game that plays itself live. Come join. Wait. This is my first stream. Welcome for your first stream, Cypher. So nice to see you. Are you, I haven't really done much today yet. You know what? I feel you. I uploaded a video early this morning. I did some chores. Ate some cereal. Got my live stream ready. Not incredibly productive. Cypher, have you been a subscriber for a while, or are you new? Would love to hear. Would love to hear your what's up with that. And if there's anybody else in chat. Hi, Delana. How are you doing? Alright, let's just jump back in. I've just been playing RuneScape all day. Oh, heck yeah. What have you been doing in RuneScape? I would only chop trees. I'm tired. I miss you. I miss you too. Do you know what we're doing for the dinners? I'm going to work on the Jellyfield's YouTube chat mod. Are you doing the thing, TM? What does that mean? The first thing that I wanted to work on is... Well, first of all, hello and welcome to Treasure and Bones. This is a game where... Let me just display what this game is right here. You have these different slots. You can open the slots, and there's different people. Some of them have giant hats, because we need to fix it. But you can come in and change the name of this guy, so it's like, oh, this one's name's Chicken. I don't like Chicken. I'm gonna name them... I'm gonna name them Peter, too. And then I'm gonna change their hat to this jelly hat, and I'm gonna make their color pastel green. And then you'll pick your level, which doesn't do anything right now. Then you click start, and they go. You don't have to do anything. They just go on their own, and some of them are stupid, and they're going to fall into the spikes and get killed. But their goal is to see who can get the most treasure. You can get stuff inside, like these treasure chests. There's little coins all around. You can see like a coin right there. And the ultimate goal, oh, some of them died. The ultimate goal is to get all the way to the end of the dungeon into the treasure room, which they'll get a bunch of treasure for doing that. And at the end, it determines who's the winner by who had the most gold. So that's the game we're working on today. We're gonna fix some bugs. We're gonna... Guys, I had to burp while I was describing that, and it's gone. It went back in and it's gone, I'm afraid. It disappeared. It came back. So that's what we're working on today. Just for the people that don't know. You've been here for a while, ever since Jelly World got canceled. I'm actually excited for what I can turn that game into in the future, now that I've kind of restarted it. I want to go like wacky and weird with that. Coming out the other side in a minute. Fix me what you want for dinner. Ooh. Guys, what do I want for dinner? Is the music too loud? It seems like the music's very loud. Is this a me thing? Or is this a stream also? I turned it down a bit. Just seems like it's super loud. It's pretty loud compared to your voice. All right, yeah. Let me. Will it have banger music this time? Treasure and Bones? I really wanted to do a really funny bit. Let me know if you guys think this bit is funny. I don't know anybody who makes this type of music. But you know, drum and bass music, DNB. I thought it would be really funny if there's DNB songs in TNB. I definitely think the game will have banger music though, but there definitely has to be a DNB song in TNB. Have you ever played Adam Nelson's Squarehead Adventures? They say it's only for the real G's. What? That sounds like somebody tried to make SpongeBob and they just like copied the work and changed it a little bit. Game. Hi, Nugget next door. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the family party. Wow. Alright, the first thing that I want to fix. I love that the dungeon is just called Sample Scene. Very good. Where... Does anybody remember where the thing was? Was it, like, in the camera? Oh my god, this is so unorganized. I need to go through and organize this. Game cam. Was this in the game cam? We want to fix the camera because when a skeleton dies currently, you can, like, when you press the button to tab through the different skeletons, it'll go to the ones that are dead. That's kind of annoying. When are you gonna finish the level? I think it's been half finished for months at this point. Listen, I used to only stream for like an hour each time, and that was the only time I worked on this game was on the stream. Cut me some slack. And 30 minutes of that hour is talking to chat. I see, I see. Okay, so we need to redo this because this is just like very... I'm assuming this is very placeholder and basic. Bear like barely? Ah ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh ho 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 ho. Hee 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 hee. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, guys, by the way, just so you guys are aware, Leaflup's Candy Hunt comes out July 12th. I'm excited. Pretty hype. I continue to add more and more things to the game, though, and I need to stop doing that. I think I'm done, though. I think I'm about done with the amount of things I've added. I'm like, oh, but I need to add context to this. Oh, I need to add context to that. No, I need to be done. Yesterday was the first day in a while where I didn't work on Leaflup's Candy Hunt or Jelly Fields. I was just editing that Game Grove video. And then I was busy with other stuff. So what we need to do is we need to do like... We should make a public void watch next skeleton. Skeleton list dot find skeleton. Bool is find living. Wait, why don't we do that? Hold on. Why didn't we just use the tools given to us? Where is the skeleton list at? I assume it's in, like, game data. Skeleton data. Where's the skeleton list? What? Oh, found it. Do you think Craig should enter your next game jam? He loves your channel. That sounds like fun. I think the next game jam we're gonna do is not even gonna be Fairlii or Jelly related at all. It's just gonna be who can make the worst game. We're gonna do another bad game jam. I kind of want to start it next week or something. I might not participate in that one, but I definitely want to do it. And I feel like everybody else wants to do it too.
Fairly be prepared for a platformer made out of Grumby. Next week seems really soon for another jam. I mean, seems fun to me. Okay, so this is just looping through the skeletons and finding the first skeleton that's alive. So we need to actually say if this one is just... What am I doing? This is if find living. We'll have an int starting point. Skeleton at equals starting point. Right. Else return skeleton at. This doesn't really make sense. Wait, we'll do this. There we go. That's basically just counting one. I'm currently watching your stream with 2 of my friends in the same room, so technically you have 3 viewers from me. Oh, heck yeah, Luke. I must pause the stream. I'm smack dab in the middle of recording for a video. Oh. Have fun recording. Alright, now that's gonna create some bugs. I need to remember to have the Twitch chat up in case there's anybody chatting on Twitch. So watching the next skeleton, we'll just start at 0. I guess we should start at like skeleton watching. Maybe I should add a direction as well. Hi, Fairlii, I'm here. Hi, Owlman. Just join what's happening. We're working on a game. Whoa. Because currently this only goes up. So we need to do that. We need to make another function that's like the inverse of this. So this is gonna be find skeleton down. And then we're gonna start I guess we can do another just bool is down. This is kind of confusing. My friend sent a message, posted it in chat. What chat? What chat where? Stream chat? Oh, Charlie. Hey, Fairlii, I really enjoy your content and often watch your streams with my pet cat and mouse from Rocks. I usually have a beer or two, but I really want to create games too. Exciting. Glad you and your friends are having fun. Guys, I'm confused about what I'm like trying to do. So this is going to search through each of them. Okay, yeah. Then this will not work. We need to make a specific thing that's gonna do it. That's gonna go backwards. Let's just actually make a public int find skeleton in direction. Right? And then we'll say is next. We're gonna return 999 because that's gonna be what's messed up. So we're gonna say if is next, and we also need to bring in an int skeleton at if skeleton list skeleton at dot count wait. Do I need to do skeleton list dot what? Skeletons. If skeletons dot count is greater than sorry, my brain is like not wanting to do numbers today. So this is going up. We'll also make another bool. Bool is loop. Oh, this is a good song. It's kind of a creepy song a little bit, if you think about it. This game is called Treasure and Bones. It's a game about skeletons. Oh, I was gonna show it, but it's gonna compile, and I'm too lazy to let it compile. We need to work. So if the skeletons, the count of the skeletons is greater than skeleton at, we're gonna say skeleton to return it's gonna be an int. If it's next, else we're going to do okay. So if there's 5, then it's gonna be 6. So if you're on 5, that means the count is still gonna be greater than that. So we want it to be -1. We'll add another bool to this. Let's see. Aaron says, hey Fairlii, I make music. Is there any chance I can make music for your Jelly game in the future? Play guitar, keyboard, and other stuff. Rock on, my dude. There's a chance you could do music for a future thing. Could be kind of interesting. Not Not anything for Jelly Fields though, because we have a full soundtrack. Probably more songs are going to be added in the future as well. That's very Texas core. I'm trying to think of how exactly I want to do this. So we're just trying to find a skeleton in a specific direction. So if you're skeleton number 0, this is going to go up 1. And then if the max is 6, well, this is technically 5. I guess this will just work. This is going to add 1. I guess I'm gonna just make a bool. Bool is found nothing. Because we basically just only want to weed out the very specific case in which you can't do it, if that makes any sense. So we want to say we're gonna focus on the scenarios in which you wouldn't return the next skeleton, and so what that would be, it would be if skeleton to return is 6. And is not loop, then we're gonna say is found nothing equals true. And then at the bottom we'll say if is found nothing. I guess that doesn't, we just need to return. Wow, I'm stupid. We just need to return the situations in which you can. I don't know what I'm doing today. So if the skeleton's count is greater than skeleton to return, then we're just gonna return skeleton to return. Now we'll also say if the opposite of that, else if is loop, return 0. Oops, we're gonna return 0. Oh, I see why I wanted to do that, because I wanted to find the living, I wanted to have a living check. So we're just gonna do this. Public bool is skeleton, find skeleton living, and return false. And this is gonna take an int skeleton. If skeletons skeleton dot get component player controller dot is defeated, cool. Whoa, I got some big messages here. Message from Craig. How did you get into game development? Because I tried it once and ended up with the glass box error. I was using Unity, but my best pal Luke tells me. I honestly just kept working at it over and over and over again. It's just very stubborn, honestly. There's this thing, and it was magic. It's like code. You have to say the right things, have the right catalyst. So I'm imagining spaghetti wizards. What are you saying, Moonfall? Hello, I just got here. How's the game coming? Hi, it's a me. It's going well. I've barely done anything on this stream because I'm like brain tangled. Oh, there's a kitty cat meowing right now. Where is he? Where the heck is he? Oh, I see him. Like, I hear a cat meowing, but I can't see him. Nightmare situation. You never know what they're up to in that situation. Okay. So now we want to say if is find living. Oh yeah, baby. You know my code is just if else, if else, if else. Post this on Reddit and have everyone make fun of me. Oh. Sorry. I basically need to do this exact thing. Oh, this is a mess. This is an absolute mess. Are there cosmetics? There is a golden top hat. Yes. Yes, definitely. Let me see if I can actually show you where the hat's at. It should be in here. Yep. There's a golden and a mythstone top hat. Guys, Fairlii's trying to make a number that goes up or down and can't do it because he's stupid. This is a difficult. Actually, wait. We don't need to do this. We don't need to do this. We don't need to do this. Complicating it for the sake of complication. We just need to copy this and basically do less than or equal to 0. If skeleton to return is less than or equal to 0. Wait, greater than 0. Return skeletons dot count minus 1. Oh my god, I think I just did it. Fairlii can't code. Listen, I was having a interesting morning and I was like very just like stressed out and worn out and tired from overthinking a lot of things, and that extended into me not being able to think on the stream. I need to not think about things so much. So all of this just for this stinking camera. Because all we want to do here, let's comment this code out. Because we want to do, when you do the right arrow, it's going to say int skeleton found equals skeleton list that find skeleton in direction. And we're gonna start at skeleton watching. Oh no, wait. Is next. Right arrow is gonna go up, so true. skeleton watching, and then is loop true. If, and then we're gonna say if skeleton list dot find skeleton living, skeleton found. Then we're gonna set skeleton watching equals skeleton found. Right. Let's see. Did I not put the find skeleton living? They're supposed to be. Wait. Wait, what? Am I dumb? Oh, I get it. Okay. Right. Are all jellies edible? What? Why does this always come up? Why is this always a thing? Why is everybody trying to eat things? Why are you guys always trying to eat my stuff? We don't want to be in here. We want to be in Game King. Let me focus, chat. Stop yipping and yapping in my ears. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna say bool is found skeleton equals false. And then we're gonna say while is found skeleton while you've not found a skeleton, we're just gonna repeat this. So after this, we're gonna do skeleton. Int skeleton at equals skeleton watching, and then we're gonna say I'm getting a spam call on my phone. So we want to do skeleton at skeleton watching equals that is found skeleton equals the word skeleton is like not making sense to me anymore. So when you're pressing the right arrow, it's going to specifically look for the skeletons that are alive. How would we know? Why not use the new input system Fairlii? This is a PC only game. I don't plan on there being any controller support, so I don't really need it. I'm gonna have to faff about with putting a controller thinger and a bunch of other stuff. Guys, am I an idiot? Why am I not able to figure this out? This code that I'm doing right now, I guess if I do get key down, doesn't that mean I can hold it? The frame the user starts pressing down the key. Okay, never mind. Okay. So when you press it, it's gonna do this, it's gonna do that. I apologize to everyone watching this, and it's not entertaining because I can't figure out what I'm trying to do. Basically, what I'm trying to do is... Here, let me visually show you guys what the issue I'm having is. You'll see. It's a little more complicated than you would think. So you have all of these skeletons, right? And let's say these are all in a list. This is 0. This is 8. Right? You're spectating 1. Wait, this would be 7, right? This is 1. Okay. And when you press a button, you press the right arrow, you want to move a skeleton to the right. You press the left arrow, you want to move a skeleton to the left, right? That's very simple. But it's more complicated because you only want to go to the next skeleton that's alive. So let's say this one and this one are dead. So you want to go from this one, it goes to this one, it's dead, skips it, this one, it's dead, skips it, lands on this one. Okay. But then you have a situation where you're on this one is dead, this one is alive. So then you press the button, the left arrow, it goes to this one, it's dead, it loops back to the end of the list, and then finds that this one's alive, and then it gives you that one. That's the issue that I'm having right now. So it's simple to go up or down the list, but it's not as simple to loop the list and also take into account the ones that aren't alive. The issue that I'm having right now is... This doesn't work. Sorry, I'm back. Needed to talk to somebody. Okay. So, we're basically gonna check skeleton bound equals find skeleton in direction. So what that's gonna do, it's gonna go here. It's gonna go there. The issue that I'm having... I separated these into two different things, but now I'm encountering an issue. Because now the issue is it's going to loop through the skeletons, and it's only going to tell you if it finds a skeleton that's alive. But if it's going to have an error if all of the skeletons are dead and you press the button. But I I guess the game is over at that point, so I guess that really doesn't matter, because you only need to check through the skeletons if they're alive. So let's just do this. Once again, apologies that I can't figure this out. This one is false. We don't want skeleton at. We do want skeleton at. Oh my god, this is an issue. No, we don't need this. Oh, what? Did I copy and paste that and then just yeet it? My bad. Okay, we need to get rid of this. And then we just need to do skeleton watching. Get rid of that. Okay, this should be good. Let's not get rid of that for the time being. I always do that. Direction is gonna be false. Skeleton watching equals skeleton found is fun skeleton equals true. This should just work. But I have a feeling we'll encounter some errors. This works. Uh-oh. 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 I think I crashed Unity. Okay, so that doesn't work. That really doesn't work. I think I need to save thinking things for not the stream. I honestly cannot think. This should not take me this long to do this. I don't know how I've managed to completely just not. I can get this. I can do this. I'm smart enough to do this. And I'm smart enough to do this live on the stream. We're gonna do this. We're gonna push through. This is never gonna work. I'm never gonna be able to be a streamer if this is the quality of stream that people are getting. My god. Just gonna sit here for hours watching this dude do absolutely nothing. Oh my god. Oh. I just need to make... I can't think of what to do. Okay. Wait. Can't I just use this? Doesn't this work? Just need to... I'm locking in, guys. I'm figuring this out. I'm committed to giving you quality content. And not garbage. This doesn't even matter, because I already have another thing that's already saying that. That's this one, but this one doesn't actually loop. This one's literally just checking the one. But like this would be a function that would have just be another function. Oh my god, how do I do this? Why can't I do this? I need to draw it in front of my face. Okay, I have a piece of paper. I need to draw this. I feel like a complete idiot. Okay, so when you press the button, it needs to... Thank you, Wendy, for following. I think that is on Twitch. So it needs to go... Listen to Universal Collapse. Hi, Wendy. Welcome to the stream. It's been an hour and I haven't figured this out. What is wrong with me? I'm stupid. So there will go to 4. Oh my god. I'm trying to draw it out in front of me on a piece of paper so I can figure this out. Oh no, guys. Alright, I figured it out. I figured it out. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna have a starting point, and is up. Watch this. Watch this. I figured it out, guys. Ha 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 ha. I can't look at this. I can't look at this. Can't look at that. I just gotta get rid of this. Watch this. Watch this. I mean, I am literally gonna just be copying this. Okay. We gotta say if skeleton at is greater than starting point. Oh, I figured it out now, guys. Looks like you're using Visual Studio. Yeah. I'm using Visual Studio with the cappuccino colors theme. I love it. Guess I'll come back. I haven't disappeared for a year. Guess I'll come back like I haven't disappeared for a year for my character development. Lucas! The maker of the most insane fan game I've ever played. Crazy. Are you busy? Yeah, I'm trying to use my big brain and think of this thing. Have you also tried VS Code as well? No, I've not tried anything other than Visual Studio. It's Geldi Feld, this guy. Can I call you? Is it urgent? Because I just was about to make a breakthrough with my thinking. Alright, I need to focus. I need to focus. I need to focus. I need to focus, and then I'll be able to call Delana. If she has the time. So if you're looking up, if the skeleton that you're currently at is greater than your starting point, and then we'll say if is find living. Find skeleton living. We're gonna say oh, I figured it out now, guys. Ah, I figured it out. I so figured this out. Now, we need a specific thing that says... we need to have another bool. Bool is loop. Because we need to say... if the skeleton... if starting point is equal to skeletons dot count -1. Oh, this is complicated, but I figured it out. Oh, wait, I can actually do this here. We'll make a bool. So we're gonna say if is up, or I guess it'll just change is up. Yeah, makes sense. So if the starting point is equal to that and you are is loop, then regardless is up is gonna equal false. And then we'll say if starting point equals 0, this has to be starting over and is up. Does this make sense to you guys? I haven't touched Geldi Feldus in a year. I gotta go back at 150. I might have figured this out, Delana. I might have figured it out. Man ignores fiance on stream live. Okay. So I guess we're gonna say is up. Oh, not that. We need to say and, not or. So we're basically saying if your starting point is at the top and you're going up, it's gonna start you at 0 because is up is gonna be false. So it's gonna look for something below the starting point. Now we have this, and we're just gonna say basically less than. If is finding a living, then it's just gonna return the skeleton there. Else, it's just gonna return. It'll just return that skeleton. So for is up, we're just gonna say skeleton at plus plus. Skeleton at minus minus. And if it gets through everything, if it gets through all of this without finding a skeleton, it's gonna debug .log could not find skeleton. Oh my god, I might have figured it out. Ah. If I figure this out, guys, I'm goated. Someone donate $1 billion. Ah! What the? Find skeleton, is find living, true. Starting point is skeleton watching, is up is true, is loop is true. So we're gonna say if this is not equal to 999, well, we're actually gonna do an int skeleton found equals this, and if skeleton found is not equal to that, then we will do this is the worst stream I've ever done. Skeleton watching equals skeleton found. Oh my god, I think I did it. Ugh, I'm leaving these in here for now in case this doesn't work. We asked for finding living, is up, is false. I need a Q-tip. My ear itches. Sorry, there was like a cat here. Hi Fairlii, you're one of my favorite YouTubers. Thank you so much. That makes me feel very, very happy. That fixed the stream. Now this is the best stream I've ever done. Alright. Is fine living. True. Starting point is skeleton watching is up. True. And true. Minutes. All right, let me check this real quick, and then I'll call. I can foresee an issue with this. No. No, I didn't do it correctly. Okay. It's going the opposite direction. Why does that not make sense? Why does that not make sense? Okay. I'm gonna call Delana for a minute while I figure this out. So I'm gonna mute for a little bit. Chat. I'll see you guys in a second. I've returned. I've almost figured this out. I need to figure out why that happened. And then I think we figure this out, and then we'll do something actually fun. Oh my god, yes! Yay! We're flipping Fairlii Friday around, guys. We're making it... We're gonna make this all worth it. I'm awakening. Okay, so this is working, but when a skeleton dies, it seems like there's an issue with the skeleton that it's actually checking. So let's wait for one to be killed. So it's checking -1. Why is it checking -1? Skeleton watching is 3. We're currently watching Skeleton 3. We're so close. We're so close. We're gonna do it. Oh, I should check what that song was. What is that? An hour and 20... Nutty Noon by Kirby's Return to Dreamland? I believe that's the name of the song. So it somehow went to -1. Why did it do that? So it started at 3. Why did it do that? Why does it go... Why does it do that? Who would have known it was this difficult to make a camera switching system? Are you guys still entertained watching this? It's always -1. You came back. Hi, Lucas. Why is it -1? Oh. Wait a minute. Peter is 0. So Peter... Guys, Peter is 0. Just so you know. How is it going to -1? Where's the thing at? Where's the thing at? Where's the thing at? Skeleton list. What time is it for you? For me, it's 1:52 p.m. Past morning. What does PM stand for? Pre-money. Post-monkey. Okay. So it's somehow going down. Why can't Peter be 47? I don't know. I don't make the... Actually, I do make the game. Oh. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. If the scale... Okay, so if Peter is 0... and my starting point is 3... it's gonna check if Peter is living. It's gonna be a no. So then we'll say... we get going. I have some work I need to do. Good luck with programming. Bye, Diamond Lock. Thanks for showing up. Sorry that it wasn't as entertaining. So skeleton or skeleton at is less than 0. Right. Greater than or equal to 0. No, wait. Greater than... because 0 will... yeah. So then this one needs to be... and skeleton at... is less than... skeleton at is less than skeletons. That count minus that count. So this is gonna cause a different type of error, but that's okay. We're gonna figure this out. I think I see what the issue is now. If I'm correct, then this bug is just going to manifest itself in a different place in the code. That's what I'm hoping to have with this, but I don't think it's fixed. Oh, it is fixed. No, guys. Oh, it's not working here. When it's down to the last 2, it doesn't work. So if it's down to the last 2, let's say there's just 3 and 1. It's gonna go... oh, we're so close. We're so close, guys. I know this is awful. This is taking so long, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, and you're gonna watch. I had so many other things I wanted to do on this stream. Ridiculous. Maybe I do need to stream for like 12 hours so I can actually get work done. So if there's 2 left, that means all of these things subathon win. I would love to do that. I don't think anybody would really partake in it though. I don't think I have a big enough presence for that. So that means that... Oh! I get why this is happening. Oh. Oh. How am I gonna fix this now? Oh my god, guys, this is a crazy... Oh, this is a crazy... This adds a whole other layer. This adds a whole other layer. There's just more layers getting added. Okay, now the problem is... It works great when all the skeletons are alive, right? Because it goes... Oh my goodness. I know what I have to do. This is crazy. This is crazy. I didn't know that this was going to be this complicated. I guess that makes sense. There's a lot of different variations of what can actually be happening. So now we need a public list of bools. Skeletons alive. Okay. So we're gonna do this skeletons alive thing. And then when the skeleton dies, it's going to be put into this list. You should add a volcano or cloud biome to Jelly Fields. Oh, a cloud biome sounds really cute. Yeah, somebody in the community did make a volcano biome. I think it's a really cool idea, but I don't think it fully fits with the vibe of the game, unfortunately. I also don't really like... I don't really prefer that kind of thing, like a volcano or a fire area. Not one of the things that I really enjoy. Okay, defeat skeleton. We're gonna say skeleton list dot skeletons alive. Now. Now we gotta go through this whole thing again. For each bool. No, wait. Oh no, we need to remove it. We need to make a new list. Oh my god. Guys, this is ridiculous. For each, we'll say, I'll explain why this is insane in a second. We're just gonna make a list of, or I guess an int, Skeletons alive max. For each bool skeleton alive in skeleton list. Didn't know how to code. I don't even know what I'm coding at this point. For each bool skeletons alive. This is gonna check how many of the skeletons are alive. And instead of doing skeletons account.1, we're gonna do skeletons alive max. Oh no. This doesn't work! Oh my god. This doesn't work because if you're not trying to check if the skeleton is alive. You know what? It doesn't matter. We don't need this pool. This is only going to be if the skeleton is alive. Because if not, you can just go up or down. It doesn't really matter in that case. And then we need an int skeletons bottom is also going to equal to 0. So the maximum, and we need the floor, and we need the ceiling. So if skeleton alive, we're gonna check if the first one is not alive. Then it's gonna say skeletons bottom equals skeleton alive, and then return. What did I do wrong here? Oh. Skeleton. Skeleton bottom equals... Oh, we need int current skeleton out. I can make this into a function somewhere else. God, this is so complicated and annoying. Oh, we don't want that. We want break. I'm falling apart at the seams. This Fairlii guy has no idea what he's doing. Fairlii guy has no idea what he's doing. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Yes. I have no idea what I'm doing with my life, but I'm here. Thank you for the words of kindness. I appreciate it. So, So we want it to be starting point or skeletons alive. Skeleton bottom. Please. Please. This is a good song. If I get this right, I expect somebody to donate $1 billion. Bill Gates, I expect to show up. No, it doesn't work! Why does it not work? This is the most difficult thing I've ever done in my life in terms of game development. Did I miss a spot? No, not 0. Isn't it skeletons alive max? For that? I usually like have a moment or two I can make like a short out of or a TikTok, and what the hell am I gonna do with this stream? No! What do you mean? Alright, I'm gonna just debug. I'm debugging skeletons alive max plus space plus skeletons bottom plus skeleton. This is the skeleton list. I need another space there. Internet died. What I missed? Absolutely nothing. You missed nothing. I am getting nothing done. I'm surprised people are staying. The same amount of people that are that watch my stream when I'm doing entertaining things are here when I'm doing this. That makes me feel good. 4 and 0. A solid hour of Fairlii for Fairlii. I can't even talk at this point. It's not that I forgot how to code. It's that this is like a dynamic list that keeps moving around. The server went insane and then became normal. Oh god, the Discord server is going insane today too. I left for a minute. I joined the Discord server. I couldn't find it before. Thank you for joining the Discord server. Awesome, so cool. Can we just get rid of these? No, I don't think I can get rid of those. I don't know why this is wrong. That list was correct. 0 and 4. 0 and 4? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Was I dumb and I didn't realize that it goes to 4? Cannot find skeleton plus I'm so confused because it's just not finding it at all. I would love to see like where the point is that it's failing here. Six? So it's the loop. If the starting point, if where you're starting is equal to this, then skeleton at is going to equal skeleton's bottom. So bottom is 0. Top is 4. Y top is 4. Oh, I see why top is 4. Okay. So bottom 0 and 4. So if you're going up, and if you're at 3, which is equal to 4 minus 1, if you're looping, you're actually going to be at 0. Why? So why is that? Why that doesn't make sense? Why is that not working? We're gonna debug at the top, looping to the bottom. This is the most relatable stream I've ever watched. I don't know why this is getting the best of me. I'm gonna go. When I figure this out, I'm gonna just like go lay down on the floor for like 3 minutes. I'm gonna celebrate. It's not looping. Starting point equals skeletons alive max and is up. What the flip? How is that skeleton 7? Huh? What? The list is 4 and 0, and it for some reason couldn't find skeleton 7. Where the hell are you getting to 7? What? If skeleton is less than the starting point. So I think the issue that we're having is that it's not looping. The looping is the weird part. I don't know why it's not looping. What? Why did the music just like... What? The music just cut away like awkwardly. Alright, we're gonna actually do this real quick. We're just gonna... Yeah, it did start playing Ocarina of Time. We're gonna debug... We're just doing more debugging. This is so stupid. This is unhinged. I haven't even done the streams for a week. And it's already gone horrendously wrong. We'll figure it out. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I can't believe anybody wants to watch this. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this done real quick, and then I'm gonna get these hats, and I'm gonna do like level design and stuff, and then we're gonna do a middle segment where we play a game, like a really terrible Switch game. I had so much planned, but I'm determined. Do I have to put it in like a thinger? Yeah. I'm kind of zoned out. I'm assuming most people are zoned out at this point. They're like, I don't even know what's going on. I have no idea what I'm watching. Two and three. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Watching Skeleton 2. Watching Skeleton 2. But the maximum is 3. So I'm watching Skeleton 2, right? It's not gonna do this. If it's up, if skeleton at is greater than your starting point, which it wouldn't be, it'll be 2, so it's gonna go up. To 3. It's gonna go up to 3. And then when it goes up to 3, then skeleton at is now gonna be greater than the starting point. But it's gonna be equal, less than, or equal to? Is this game just a cutscene? No. The skeletons are controlled by themselves. They do whatever they feel like. Oh! Ah! 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 No! What is this error? Could not find skeleton 3. We were so close! Hi, Hoodley. It's a marbles leg, yeah. Can I get an image of all the hats currently in the game? I'm not sure. I don't have the time to do that at the moment. Oh my god, we almost did it. It couldn't find skeleton 3. So that would be 0, 1, 2. So that... Okay, wait. I need to add the thing back in. Get rid of this one. Add this one back in. I want to do skeletons bottom. Skeletons alive max. We almost got it. Oh my god. I feel like I'm battling as hard as possible. I'm fighting a war right now. I'm fighting a war. Okay. This war will be won. Okay. Wait, everybody lived that? Skeletons.skeleton alive, skeleton data.skeleton ID equals false. Huh? Is there like a different thing that I'm missing? Hold on a second. There might be I might be actually using the wrong number. Skeleton list ID. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Oh, we're up to 12 viewers. Oh, now we're down. We were at 12 viewers. I think that's a new peak. This stream is my peak stream. And it's this garbage. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are cool. I'm the one that's not. Are you partnered on Twitch yet? I don't know if I get any more than one person every stream. Oh, I did just get somebody say best viewers on this.com. I just got a bot. Oh, they all died before I could actually test that out. Wasn't there 13 last stream at some point? I didn't see. I didn't see if there was 13. Can we break the record? Can we get 15? 15,000 likes. I do stream on Twitch as well. At the same time. Multi-stream. Okay. Someone get hit by a rock. Or fall into a spike or something. What are you gonna get out of the treasure chest? A bomb. Please, Peter, blow yourself up. Okay. Okay. I got the bug. The skeleton list is 2-2? What? How'd that make sense? No, it's not. What do you like better, streaming or making videos? I love streaming. I'm really, really enjoying streaming. I've always enjoyed the streaming, but I was always told that I shouldn't stream because it'll never actually work out. Like, it'll never get you money. It's not worth it or viable. It's always better to just make videos. But I really just want to do what I want to do. And what I want to do is I want to stream. Why are they all named Peter? It's a Peter party. Hey guys, you're all invited to the Peter party. Are you coming? Okay. So now I just noticed that there's an issue with the way that the list is being made. Oh, I see. Hi, Lucas. Welcome to the Twitch chat. You would come to a Peter party. Hi, Smogro. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. I see what's happening here. I'm gonna make a bool. Found skeleton bottom. This stream is a testament. This stream is like it's like an endurance test for me. Like, am I gonna run out of steam, or is the bug, like, is this system just going to, like, get the better of me? Which one is gonna have 14 viewers? Yeah! That's a new peak. Oh shoot, guys, we're peaking. Peak stream incoming. Okay. So now the skeleton list is 2-3. Shouldn't the list always be? I see. Wait, what? New PB. New PB. All right. These numbers are just for the looping. So Peter died. Well, they're all Peter. What the hell am I saying? Which Peter died? I can actually check that. Peter 2 died. Oh. Shouldn't the bottom be which skeleton is alive? What am I, what? This makes it even more difficult. Because we're just getting the bottom and we're getting the top. So this should hit 0 and then 0 should just be the bottom. Why am I making it? Why am I doing that? Why am I doing that? For each skeleton alive in skeleton list dot skeletons alive. If that's alive. Bring the boodle back. Oh, I think I got it, guys. I think I did it. Let's get up to 15 viewers and then I'll do it. Hey, why are we at 12 viewers and only 6 likes? What's the problem with, what's the deal with that? Huh? What's the deal with that, guys? Come on now. This is the worst thing I've ever done. But I think I just did it. I think I just did it. Oh yeah, 8 likes. Thank you. I was being a butthead. 9 now. Oh my goodness. You don't have to like. I was just being a butthead. Oh, it doesn't work again. Oh. Please don't play with me like that. Next Jelly Jam, I'm going to experiment with 3D. The next jam we're doing is going to be a open jam. It doesn't have to be even Jelly related. It's just going to be make a terrible game within the theme. Okay, it works both ways. Let's have a skeleton get hit. Let's see one of them get killed. Wait, did both of them die? One of them died. Why isn't it going to the thing anymore? Ferdinand. Hold on a minute. It's completely ignoring one of them. Let's see. Let's see here. What does it say the list is? 0 to 3. That is correct. 0. 0 and 3. That is correct. Starting point. Okay, we're going up. If we're looping... Okay, it's skipping one in the middle. Okay. I need to open up the game cam to see where we're at. We're watching 2. And now it's not watching anyone? Despite the fact that you are alive. So it can't watch 3. The skeleton list goes to 3. Could not find skeleton 3. Because... the starting point is equal to the top. Okay, so now the problem is we're going up to 3. We need to remove this. Needs to go to... Yeah, guys, yeah. I am smart. How long? 2 hours and 10 minutes for this. I am smart. You'll see. You'll all see. You'll all see how smart I am. When it works right now. Watch it. Clip this. Clip this when it works. It worked. By Peter, it worked. Oh my god. It worked. Oh, BW Dev, hi. It worked. Guys, it worked. What? How do I celebrate? How do I celebrate? I need to make up for all of this lost time on the stream. How do I celebrate this working? Please, put any suggestions in the chat. I guess we can have a Peter off. What? Let's have a Peter off. Now that we have a camera, we can the camera that properly works, we can have a proper Peter off together. Peter 2. Peter 3. Peter 4. All right, guys. What's your money on? I'm thinking Peter 4. We're gonna spectate. Oh, basic Peter is gone. P-Tet 5? Yeah, P-Tet 5 is might be a champion here. He's already gone, but it's okay. Peter 4. No, Peter 5 is here. Aw. Aw, 8 is gone. I'm telling you, Peter 4 is the one. Peter 4 is looking good. Come on, Peter 4. I think he's gonna make it all the way. He's gonna jump and he's gonna get some money. Oh my god, what is Peter 3 getting? They both got bombs. Uh-oh. Oh! Peter 3 is gone. But it's okay because Peter... Well... well... Peter 3 and Peter 5 are the winners. Double winners. Peter 4, no money at all. Ridiculous. The camera worked, guys. The camera worked. We did it. Hi, Fairlii, what are you doing? I just spent the last 2 hours making a camera that loops over to different skeletons named Peter. I just spent all that time doing that. What? Let's actually be productive and let's actually like start to finalize some of the tiles here. Do you guys like the layout of this dungeon? I guess I never have properly asked in stream if this layout is good. So it starts here. This is roughly based on the dungeon in Treasure and Bones Classic. You go here, and then and then they can jump over here, they can get this chest, they can go down here, which right now it's just a coin, but I might add multiple coins because this is like a spot where they can get hit by this or they can fall in there, so it's like multiple different things. They go down here, these falling rocks fall from the ceiling, you can kill them. You can jump over here to go up to this little area. If not, you can also skip this spike that's in the middle here. Then they go down. A rolling boulder spawns from here. Rolls, bounces, they get past that. This is the teleport. Oh no, wait, the teleport was gonna be over here. So in the shop, you'll be able to unlock the teleporter, and when they reach this teleport spot, it'll teleport them past all of this stuff down to here. And then they're essentially skipping all of that stuff if they're smart enough to use the teleporter. And then they jump here, they jump there. These are mega arrow launchers. The difference between the normal arrow launchers and the mega ones are the mega ones do not get broken when they hit a skeleton. So if 3 of them jump, this will go through all 3 of them. There's another chest here. Then they go down here. There's a chance that this jump pad pushes them up into those spikes in the ceilings. The ceiling. Double jump here. That goes down to here. Another double jump. Which the part with the double jump is what separates the boys from the men. Because this is where a lot of them get killed. Fall down here. Obviously, this arrow can pierce through a ton of them. They can go down here. This part is pretty scary. 3 spike traps and 2 arrow launchers, but you get 2 coins and a chest, which I'm probably going to seed this chest to mostly have coins in it. Drop down here, and then you get a double choice. You can either go the way of the falling boulders or the way of the spikes. So these spikes will just ka-chink, come out every once in a while, or come in. You get some money this way. I think I'm gonna actually have this path give 2 coins, and then I'm gonna put a normal coin there. Then you go here, 2 jumps here, and then goes all the way here, and then goes down the bottom. Has any of them ever made it to the end? Don't think I've seen that on stream yet. It's specifically meant to be difficult for them to get to the end without adding any of the modifiers. So if you buy spike traps, it's gonna put a bridge over this, over this. It's gonna fix the gap between this bridge. It's gonna put a bridge over both of these, and then these. So I have not seen them make it this far yet, because if they were to get to here, they would just fall off the map. So let's actually make the ending, and let's see if we can get them to actually jump over. So let's get a jump here. We just want this to be a normal jump. Here. I think I just duplicated that in accident. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so glad. I'm just so glad that we got that done. I really am sorry, guys, that it took me so long. Like I said, I've just been a mess today. My sincerest apologies. Are these spikes an actual object, or are they just... No, they're just the tile set. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, they're actually a part of the ground. I forgot about that. Cool. How do these normally go? 1 and then that. Yeah. I love the art style for this game. What? Why is there a gap in the thing? That is on the background layer. There you go. Jobs good. I'm actually very excited for this game. I think this is gonna be one of my like sleeper hit games. I have said, hear me out. I want to be on a game finishing tear. I'm not... Listen, guys. I'm not here to just make games that don't actually exist. I'm here to do it. What? I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. No, like, I actually am very much wanting to... Oh, this could be cool. Have this be a little bridge. Very cool. I actually want to go back and actually finish my games, or actually make meaningful updates, or just any sort of actual progress on this kind of stuff. Obviously, my main priority is GELLI Fields. That's gonna be my main work that I'm doing, but that is largely done off stream, since streaming is another aspect that I have to my job. I will work on the video gaming. I will work on these other projects in the meantime. You think we could get Treasure and Bones out this year? What do you think? What do we think, guys? You think this is possible? Maybe not with maybe not with how I was performing today. It wasn't exactly performing. up to what I would say my standard is. Any ideas when Jelly Fields is going to be finished? That game is amazing, and I really, really think it's something very special. And I'm currently going over how I feel about the release, like how I want to do the release. I'm wondering if I want to do the release with all of the features that I have planned for the game and then just leave it, or if I want to release it with majority of the features but not all of the like major crazy side features and content, and then update it as time goes. Because the main story for the game is 5 biomes, but I think at this point there's like 7 that are planned. So I don't know, should I launch with all 7 of those biomes and it takes extra time, or should I release it with the original 5 story biomes and then we do like obviously free content updates? We can literally make, because there's no story to those biomes, we can literally just make them together on stream. I'm not exactly sure how I want to approach that. Might want to update the Kickstarter release date. It still says 2025. That's the thing. I can foresee a situation in which it does come out in 2025. Because once Leaflup's Candy Hunt is done, I'm going full jelly mode. I mean, I'm kind of already going pretty big jelly mode. I just had that little bit of a setback because of the easy save data stuff, so I'm fixing the bugs with that and getting all that sorted out. But like, it's gonna be much easier to do the save data, and I'm gonna be able to do actual specific save data for biomes very easily. So that's just gonna be a huge just positive. So I think the development for that will be much quicker, especially because I have a lot of the biomes planned. I mean, making the extra content to make sure the biome works and is balanced and is fun, that takes a lot of time, but yeah. 5+ on release, plus 2 free DLC. You should focus on the main 5 before release, and then after that work on the DLC. Yeah, I mean, I want the game to come out, and I want it to be supported for as long as I can actually continue working on it, because it's that is the proudest I've ever been of anything I've ever made. It's like, it's very much above what I would consider myself capable of. It's amazing. I think people really deserve to have the game as soon as possible. I say as I'm not working on it. I can't work on it on stream though, because I don't want to spoil it. Also, we did some pretty good work here. We got the 2 jumps. We just need to add the little kill zones. But yeah, Jelly Fields has not been forgotten about. Not in the slightest. Not in the slightest. What's the best plan when Jellyfoot is finished? Will we start working on Little Lane again? I'm not exactly sure. I think I wanna finish up these like smaller projects that are. Will Leaflup's Candy Hunt be on console? No, at least not at this point. Leaflup's Candy Hunt is going to be exclusive to itch, and if the game makes enough money and people want a Steam version of the game, I'm going to look into actually getting Leaflup's Candy Hunt out on Steam. But at the moment, it'll just be out on itch. I would like to have it on consoles, but I'm spread too thin to be able to actually balance getting it out on consoles and on PC. When getting it out on PC is hard enough. I'm just gonna fill in this whole area like this. Okay. Let's do some little more testing while I just yippity yap. Let me actually fill this in right here. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops. This game doesn't actually use easy save, which I'm gonna need to move the save data in this game over to easy save as well. Which, when I move the game over to easy save, it's gonna allow a very easy way of people creating their own skeletons. Maybe you can... Maybe, I can do an import feature, like an export and import feature, where it exports the combination, like the name, the color, and the hat of the skeleton to its own little file, and then you can like click an import button and then import a skeleton, and then it'll set one of the skeletons to that. I think that would be really cool, because if we do that, we can do streams where if you own the game, you can make your own. Is there a chance of Jelly Fields 2 ever existing? I think I would really just want to continue working on just original Jelly Fields and just having it be more bang for your buck the like longer the development goes. That's how I feel. I mean, if I discover some sort of crazy new gameplay feature that would completely change the game, like I need to remake everything. But at this point, the only thing I can really see that I would do different with Jelly Fields would be like a survival game version of it. But at that point, it would just be a completely different game. But I do want to return to Luna Lane. That's like really where I want to go. All right, let's see if any of these guys are gonna win. We got to go over here. It's gonna go over there. The focus right now. I don't know. Should Fairlii Fridays be Treasure and Bones days? Oof. Goober got a bomb. I can see that last time we were working on this, we were testing bombs. Gooster is blown up. Goober is fine, however. Jelly is going. Milkshake kind of in the face and died because of it. Oh, apparently I left the rotate on, so the bodies are rotating. Oh no, no, the camera's not working. I think I know why. I think I know why. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's fine. You know what? That's a bug that I'll deal with at a different time. I rather not focus on this stupid bug stuff anymore. Just gonna work on this. Is Jelly World still being worked on? Not at the moment, but I do plan on going back to it and seeing what in the world I can do with it. Let me just stick with the normal hats here, guys. These hats are kind of crazy. Jelly World, it's now called Lumelria, a completely different name, and it's a completely different premise. I'm not going grand, huge adventure with all of these characters that you can meet in a beautiful, an amazing story. It's basically going to turn into just like survival game. I had this interesting idea where you can like, oh my god, everyone's dying. I had this idea where you can start like It's gonna be like a skilling game where you use your magic spells and you combine them together with other of your other spells for your skills and make like combination skills. And then there will be just like really wacky progression in the game. And you can tame your jellies. Just be more survival gamey, more open-ended and like sandboxy than having it be a huge grand adventure. I don't know if I would ever see that game as being like the original version of it though, because I don't think I want to make too many games, and that one would take like way too long. Oh, you guys are playing a dangerous game right now, all for some money, and you died for it. Peter, don't you do it too, Peter. Who won that? Guy. Just Guy. Oh, I should have saved them. Let me actually save these guys this time. Yes, do these hats. Should we fix the hats? I think we should fix the hats. Oh, I see. So Peter was locked, but the lock icon just doesn't work yet. I see. I love the visual design of this game. I think I really did improve on the minimalistic vibes the first game had. Look at these guys. They're just a bunch of silly little fellas. Just a bunch of silly little fellas running around. Don't you do it, Peter. A pasta's gone. Got Goober and ravioli and chicken. Hanging out there. Goober's fine. Goober, we got Goober and Goober. Keep one comically large hat. It breaks the way that the game works. It's like very unintended. I don't know if I have the thing in the game anymore where if they fall they have a chance to just explode. I don't think that exists. Goober's going. Goober's doing it. This is the furthest we've ever seen them go. Well, if he goes left. You idiot. You absolute idiot. Whoa! Never mind. Not an idiot. A pro. Never mind. An idiot. He got some money, though. Him and Goober and Ravioli both got 15. Let me just fix this. I need to make these a little less common. Let's move these up to 9 seconds instead of 7. And let's change this walking path. I see. This one, they have the same chance of going left or right. So I think that's why the issue. I think that they should have a higher chance of going left. Just so that they don't all walk on this stupid direction. And then I think that this wait timer for this should be like really slow or really quick, so they're not like getting stuck in this little area. That's just how I feel though. Oh, we're back with Peters. My bad. Let's go here. Peter. We'll just keep the stupid hats. There's also the marble mode that I want to work on. We can work on that in a different stream. But let me know, guys. Do you want me to do Friday as Treasure and Bones streams? Peter got a bomb. Does Friday TNB sound good? I originally was thinking Friday would be me recording a Fairlii Friday video live. But maybe. I don't know. I don't know how well that'll work. I love watching streams because I like seeing this stuff in real time and interacting with the creators. Yeah, I like getting immediate feedback from the community. And I like people seeing me mess up. I think it's funny. Pasta got wrecked. Oh. Marble mode is kind of marbles on stream. It's basically the skeletons start at the top of a little like pachinko board, and then a cannon shoots all their heads off, and then their heads roll and collect money. And then whoever at the bottom has the most money is the winner. If that makes sense. Pasta's the winner. Friday is Treasure and Bones sounds really good. So Monday will be general development or whatever. That'll be the day that I can work on like Jelly Fields or whatever main game I'm working on. Whatever Wednesday, Treasure and Bones for Fairlii Friday. Okay. I think we actually ended up getting a lot more done than I originally planned in the end because we actually worked on the thing. I think we should add like a new hat. Which of these hats do you guys want me to add into the game right now? Oh yeah, I also do want to do what if it's. What if it would be on Wednesday, whatever Wednesday, because that's when we get very unhinged. I'm sad that we didn't have some sort of unhinged segment on this stream. Maybe we can end it with something unhinged. Which of these new hats should I add? Should I add the super tall top hat? Should I add the top hat with a mini top hat? Should I add the bonbon top hat? This red hat? The backwards hat? The mystery egg? That's it. Super tall top hat. Okay. Pretty sure I just need to do like this, and then like that, and then export it. Does anybody know why this is happening? Why is my A-Sprite like just defaulting to this weird folder? I'm gonna literally just call it the super top hat. Or should I call it toppest hat? Toppest hat. That's a good name. This game, I don't know if you guys know this. This game used to have different skins. There was a plan for like skins. Like you could, instead of having skeletons, you could have little jellies. Little skeleton jellies. Like different types of creatures. But I ultimately decided against it. It was a plan. It's a plan that I didn't actually want to do. I've never even seen that menu in A-Sprite. Yeah, I don't know why. It just started doing it one day. It like updated all of a sudden. And it just started doing that. Okay, these are all on the bottom. So what's the deal with the ones that are big? Okay, the ones that are big are just not like that. Let me fix these while I'm here. What the freak is wrong with me? Why wasn't I fixing these on stream? Which ones are wrong? Gold hat, that hat, pyre tile helmet. What am I doing? Gold top hat. Where are these hats even at? Was I saving them in the normal treasure and bones? Where were these even at? Golden top hat. Let's just get rid of these. What? Why did I just hear a Windows, like, Windows 7 noise? Was that Windows 7? Mythstone hat. Top hat. I love streaming, guys. Oh my goodness. I really... Oh. What? What? Did I already do that and I wasn't paying attention? Windows XP. Yeah. You're totally right. The pyre tile helmet is also wrong. I really like streaming. I really hope that it works out. Really hoping it works out. Pyre tile helmet is wrong. I think the milkshake is wrong. The robot head. Whoops. Milkshake was wrong. The robot helmet. Is the robot helmet even here? It's not. Where is this robot helmet at? I'm confused. Like, where are these? I mean, here's items. Are there any? There's headgear. I don't know where that hat is. I guess I just need to do this. Oh, I call it gemstone, not mythstone in this game. I forgot. There we go. Can actually add that in here. I remember I was like fussing over how it was annoying to make new hats because I had to do this like weird system. And now I'm just like, who cares? Who cares that I have to make it this weird shape? Works. Who even cares? 5 viewers. It's okay. You should make the golden top hat have like a diagonal shine to it to communicate that it's made out of gold. I would need to have a specific system to actually allow for animations in the hats. Currently do not have that. Okay. Nine viewers now. Yeah, I don't know. Like, YouTube just keeps bouncing around. It doesn't know how many viewers I have. It's doing whatever it feels like at this point. Oh, Redstone 4D. I didn't even realize that you were on the Twitch chat. I apologize. Hi, welcome to the stream. I need to have the Twitch chat open. Fairlii, should I super chat to a streamer with thousands of weekly viewers saying everybody here go watch Fairlii? No, super chat to me instead. I think you would just make them mad. I appreciate the offer though. Okay, so I need to copy the golden top hat. I appreciate extra viewers, but not sure that's the route of doing it. I need to rename it to that. How are you guys feeling about the first week of streams? What are we thinking? Was this good? Is this something you guys are interested in having be what I do going forward? Because this is what I want to do going forward. Okay. We should have working hats now. Pretty good? Like the video. I thought you hated money. I'm a money hater. Look at these hats. Yay! They're a little off center. No, they're on center here. I think they're just off center in the other one. Look at that, they look so good. Gives me something to look forward to 3 times a week, so yeah. I also look forward to it. I have been having a lot of fun. What do we need to do now, guys? We need to add this new hat into our hat list. Oh my god, where's the hat list? It's in the customize menu. Guys, I'm gonna make a new system for this in the future. Because this current system sucks butt. Unless I already did it. Do I have a hat list? Did I already do this? Please tell me that I did. Oh no, I keep this on. Put this off. Hey, guys, do you want me to actually, I don't know if you care about this. Do you want me to build this before I get off stream and actually send this build of the game out for people to screw around with and break? Okay, so but there's the color list. Where's the like? Hell yeah. Where does this stuff go in? I'm so confused. Where's the like list of hats? How does it get the hats? Game data, hat database. I made a hat database? I'm so smart. Damn. Hi, Ilya? Ilya? Is that your name? Ilya? I'm gonna try using Godot 3D. Good luck. Ah, yes, the toppest hat. Yes. Look at these. Look at these distinguished gentlemen. My. They look so fancy and refined. They look like soldiers. They look like British guards. Beach in the pirate biome is the best in my opinion. The favorite biome in Jelly Fields, I think the beach biome is gonna be really good. I think people are gonna like it a lot. I do want to do a fall themed biome. That's gonna be based on like literally all of my favorite things that I think are very calm and relaxing. Yeah, I think the beach biome has a lot of cool stuff. Oh my god, we just witnessed a lot of people. Fairlii Forest, perchance? Maybe a little inspiration from the Fairlii Forest. Maybe I'll get into contact with some people. Oh yeah, I think fall themed biome is gonna be really good. That'll be a post game launch update though. That wouldn't be live. Goobert's go. Goobert's dumb. Goobert's an idiot. We did it! Yay! We did it, guys! We did all the work we wanted to do! I did actually get around to doing all the stuff I wanted to do in the end. Okay. How do you guys feel about doing a stupid segment for the end of the stream? How do you feel about that? You should put Pokemon cards in Jelly Fields. Oh, Lunapon cards? Yeah, they'll be there. It's gonna be like super rare item. A super duper rare item. I'll build Treasure and Bones there. How's the Volt PC going? Good. It's still just a white square, but I'm pretty sure I've figured out the layout for... I guess I can show you guys the, like, layout ideas that I have. I think I showed them in the Discord server, but I've never showed them on stream. Guess this will be a very cool thing. Hi! Hello, everybody. This portion of the stream might be uploaded as a video later, where I'm going to show a cool thing in Jelly Fields. Yes, hello. Dun, 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 dun. I'm trying to find it right now. I apologize. Okay. This is the Volt PC. It's a computer that you'll be able to access in your train station. So, the train station was very cool in the Jelly Fields demo, but it's actually getting a complete rework. I feel like it just was a hub area that there wasn't really much incentive to actually be there. You went there, you upgraded your stuff, and you left. And I don't want any part of the game to feel tacked on or unnecessary. So instead, the Volt PC will be there, and it'll have all sorts of upgrades, and you'll be able to buy different amenities and different pieces of furniture so you can actually build, decorate your train station. The building might be a little limited at launch while I work on it, because I feel like it'll be a really big system. But I do want to actually stick with that and update it as I go, adding new furniture and other stuff. But you go here and you'll be able to upgrade tons of different things, purchase little toys, purchase furniture, and you might be thinking, oh, but the amenities were cool because you could build them, and the snapping the little pieces together was very satisfying, very fun. Well, actually, all of the different furniture that you can buy off the Volt PC, the first time you buy it, it'll come in a box, and then you have to build it, and then you can place it. But after that, you can choose to just have it auto build and then you just place it, or you can actually choose to like build it again if you really feel like it. So if you want to actually hand build each piece of furniture that you put in your train station, that'll be an option. But all of the upgrades and all of the purchasing things will be centralized into the Volt PC, so you won't have to move around the train station looking for different things to click on in order to buy things or upgrade stuff. It'll all be in this little area, and I'll show you some of the things. So here's a concept for some of the apps. The star will be like the upgrade section. This will be a little text document. I don't know what this will be yet. I just put it there just to test. And then here's a window. It's just a background of a window. We'll keep that there. Then this is the shop where you can upgrade your different biomes. I think right here I have... there should be one. I guess I don't have it. There'll be a shop, and in the shop you can pick between, do you want to buy furniture, do you want to buy general upgrades, or do you want to buy biome upgrades? And then when you click the biome upgrades, it'll take you to this menu where you can pick which biome, and then obviously if you haven't unlocked the biome yet, it's just going to be a question mark. It'll say the biome's name on the bottom. You click the biome, and then it'll show you your biome, the name of the biome, and then little icons for each of the different upgrades that biome has. And then it'll tell you the name of the upgrade and what level you have for it. And then, whoops. And then this is the specific, like, upgrade. So once you click on the biome, then you click on the upgrade you want. this will say, oh, this is upgrade your fishing level cap. And then it'll say, upgrades fishing level cap right here. And then it'll say, this is a level 2 upgrade. And then it'll say, fishing level 1 to fishing level 2. Buy. Then you buy it. If not, you go back. Make sense? Hi, Julian. Welcome to the stream. I think that makes sense. I think it'll be very cool. I'm also looking for a way to condense the Jelly Solitaire so I can have it be on the Volt PC. But the limited amount of pixels will make it difficult. Do you have a price? Yeah, the price will be, it'll be listed. Wait, why don't I have the price here? Fairlii, don't hard code in the upgrade text. The price will be here. It'll probably be over here, I'm assuming. I can actually put it in both. I think that would work better. My goodness, I'm fumbling all of this. Yeah, I could put the price here. Good catch. I don't know why I didn't actually have that. So the price could like be here. In yellow. So it'll be like that's how much it costs. And then in this specific upgrade, the price could also just be like over here. Does that make sense visually? I mean, I'll work on it in the future, but thank you for pointing that out. The upgrade text was hard-coded in because the amenities were just... They were all different prefabs. What if all the DLC told a separate story than the main game? And that could be released gradually? Oh, that's a cool idea. I like that idea. But yeah, Jellyfield stuff. Yay! I love Jellyfields. Okay, we have time for one more segment. I planned this segment at the start. Like this morning. And I really wanted to do it. You'll have to excuse the fact that this segment is non-game development. This is a non-game development segment. This is gamer segment. Where's here? Transform. Reset transform. I'm imagining a lot of people are going to click off the stream at this point, but it's okay. First of all, I was, how do I, let me get rid of this display capture. I was testing out Pixark. Because it ran like absolute garbage on the Switch 1. It runs better on the Switch 2, but it's still a pretty trash game. I have some games, guys. I have some games that I want to get through on stream. I was going to save this for Wednesday, but I want to do it today. They made a pixelated arc? Yes, they did. I can actually show it to you if you want to see. Dragon Quest. Yes, I've been playing a ton of Dragon Quest Monsters. Love it. I don't know if I have it downloaded. We might have to download it. We are going to play this today. You guys, no matter what I do on stream, there is no way you can escape me being a gamer. I'm always going to play video games and make people watch it, no matter what. Yeah, I guess we can look at my stuff while this is downloading. Pick-a-Pix. This is one of these types of games. Let me show you. This segment is called Looking Through Fairlii's Switch Catalog. This game is called Pick-a-Picks, and you have to do these little puzzles to complete these pictures. So, for example, you go by the colors and the number. So you can see there's 8 blue on this line, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blue up here. And then I can just fill in all of these. And now I've done that. And there's nothing more to the left of this 8, so then I can just do that. Yes, I'm a weird nerd that plays. Yeah, it's Picross. It's Picross, but way cheaper. So I'm a nerd that plays little puzzle games. So that's a game that I've been playing. I am pretty far through. The ending puzzles are insanely huge. I don't even know. I don't know if I'll get to this point. I might pull my hair out by this point. I don't know. I'm having fun at the moment with it. A prison life simulation is almost done playing. We got Spyro Reignited Trilogy. I've been playing this. I have the Crash Bandicoot one as well. I love Spyro. This is really awesome. Dragon Quest Monsters. This is a game where you kind of do a Pokemon type thing, but you can fuse little creatures together. And I'm going to show you guys this. This is amazing. I'm so happy to show you this. Oh my god. This wasn't meant to be on the stream. This was just me and my life kind of thing. Oh, I'm going to get copyright struck for the Dragon Quest music because they're lame. So I'm going to talk over. Or I might just mute the desktop while any of the music plays. There we go. That's the only thing that I hate about Dragon Quest. They hate anyone playing their music. Literally cannot put it in a YouTube video or a stream or anything, or they will copyright strike you. Check this out. So this is a game where you get your little monsters. As you can see, I have a lot of slimes in my party at the moment. I think you can tell I like slimes. And you fuse them together, and depending on the type of them, you can get different little guys. So like, this one is an onion slime. This one is a feral slime. Yeah, you could tell where I got the idea of a jelly from. I got it because of these little guys. But let me go to Zoom. This. There is also a Dragon Quest Minecraft game, Dragon Quest Builders 1 and 2. Both of which I've beaten. I love Dragon Quest Builders 2. Look at this guy I have. Look, guys. It's a box slime. And look at his name. His name is Jelly Fields. Look, it's Jelly Fields, guys. Look at it. It's a cube-shaped she slime. And I named it Jelly Fields. Mr. Jelly Fields himself. We'll look at a couple more things for this little segment. I got Minecraft. I was testing Minecraft stuff out. Lego City Undercover. I'm trying to 100% this game. Obviously Mario Kart. The goated game, Clubhouse Games, Vampire Survivors. Oh, here's Dragon Quest Builders 2. Me and my friends got No Man's Sky, but yeah, it still isn't updated. It's not the same update as the Xbox version, so I can't play with my one friend, and it's really annoying. Here's a couple of other games. We got Pokemon Scarlet, Fantasy Life, amazing game. Little puzzle game. Bloodstained, a little Metroidvania action for you. Crash Bandicoot, Doom Eternal. I want to beat this one. I beat Doom 2016, but I want to get Eternal. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon, very good. Yooka-Laylee and the Impossible Lair. This is also a good game. Haven't beaten it yet. Overwatch. I was testing how it ran on the Switch. Mario Odyssey, Mario Wonder. Yeah, you know, you got your Marios. Roller Coaster Tycoon, Rayman. You know, it's just stuff. Okay, let's do this. I bought this game so long ago. Prison Life Simulator Jail Gangster Escape Games Scary. I think a new aspect of Fairlii is, in order for us to appreciate good games, I think we need to appreciate bad games. You don't want to be this developer that makes Gangster Simulator Jail. I don't know if this is going to be inappropriate or not, so you might need to avert your eyes if you are a child. Press any button. Look at that really good... Look at that logo! Look at that really good logo. Prison Life Simulation Gangster Scary Architect. What do you mean architect? Every new day prisoners hidden... What? Oh. 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 Morning roll call. It's morning roll call. Give Albert medkit. Get your own. Who's this? Roland. Hartwin. I'm here for morning roll call, guys. Oh, police officer. Simon. What's up, Simon? Oh, you got a big chest, Simon. You've been working out. Can I escape the roll call? What'll happen?
Hey!
Hey! He did the Lego thing. They can't do anything about this. What are they gonna do? This is Prison Life Simulator Gangster Edition or whatever. Can't do anything about this. Go in here. Some food. Where can I get a blaster? I want a gun. Where's a gun at? Oh, it's a pretty detailed place. There's a lot of moving pieces in here. This had to have taken some work to make. Well, I feel like this door would be escaping. It won't let me out that door, so I guess that's not how you escape prison. Sure. Oh, the bathroom. Can I... No, I don't even want to try to do that. Yard exit. I did it, guys. I escaped. I escaped. Can I play sports? A basketball. Okay. Do I have, like, an inventory? Oh, change gloves? I don't like that it's just one fist. Inventory. I do have a med kit. Oh, everybody's outside for morning free time. What? Give him a civilian outfit. Oh, I'm in a civilian outfit. Wait, you can just get items by talking to people. Beat Seth. Oh, they want me to beat up Seth. Where's Seth? Oh, I'm so sorry, brother. But this has to be done. What? Yeah. This is prison. This is what prison is like. Oh my goodness, he hit me with a quadruple slam. Oh my goodness. Oh my. He's dead. He's completely dead. Alright, I did it. Wait, no, this was you that had the mission. What did I get for that? I didn't get anything for doing that. What's the point of that? Whoa. Oh, he's back. What? Sure. Why is everyone just laying on the ground? Okay, I'm gonna find a weapon. I'm gonna escape. Give me 3 minutes and I'll be out of this place. Show me the blueprints. That's the shower. Okay, I need to go down this. Oh, and here we go. Oh, I think I know what I can do. I think you probably have a weapon on you. Oh, he does so. Oh, he hurts so bad. Okay. Can't. That doesn't stop me. Doesn't stop. Whoa, are we in Five Nights at Freddy's? I think we're in Five Nights at Freddy's. What game is this? Oh, good thing you asked. This is prison life simulator escape games architect. What is the architect part? Work. Wait, you have to go to work? There's more. How does this work? Work. What? I can't even see what this is. Sure. Oh, can I get that mop from that guy? There's got to be like a weapon. There's got to be a weapon. Not being able to see. Can you guys see it on stream? Because for me, I can't see anything. This game is so dark. So incredibly dark. Prohibited area. Let me in. Let me in. What does this say? Keep away. Officer armed to get permission. Officer armed. Get permission to approach fence. I could not read that. I can't see anything. It's so dark. Okay, I'm planning my escape right now. Can you jump? I can't jump. I think I get where you're going at. Central control? Well, yeah, if it's prohibited and I'm trying to escape. I'm gonna get the better of him this time. There's nothing you can do about it. Watch this, watch this. This is what they don't teach you in prison school. If you get beat up by the dude, you just go back down into Five Nights at Freddy's. And you just go back to where you were. I don't even know where that was. Here. Yeah! What? 2 hits? Oh, my health is super low. Good thing I have this. Health kit. Apply. Okay, I'm regenning. I'm not sure I'm like a huge fan of the lack of music. It's a pretty interesting artistic choice. Oh yeah, you think you're so. Oh, look at him. He is healed up. Dang, if I want to get this guy, I gotta go quick. Oh god, he's got range. I don't think I can do it, guys. I don't think I'm able to escape jail. I don't think I'm smart enough. Unless. What? What? Where am I even at? It's like pitch black. Okay. I need to quit this. I need to quit this game. Someone in chat tell me to get off this stupid thing and end the stream. See, can I like wall jump? Can I hit him and then can I hit him and then get like caught on a here? Oh! Oh my god! Yeah! Yeah! I'm the king of jail! How do I loot? Give me your baton or something. Now, how do I escape jail after beating the guards up? Ah! Go back to my spot. Yeah. Oh, there's so many of them. Oh god, I'm done. I quit. Thank you guys for watching. That was my new segment that I like to call Really Terrible Games. Thank you for watching the Really Terrible Games segment. Should I do that every once in a while? Alright, I'm gonna head off. I had a really good time on the stream. It was very nice. I'm hoping to continue growing the stream. I'm hoping to see you guys when we stream again on Monday. But yes, goodbye guys. Breath of the Wild is cool. Goodbye.